You were asked to use a graphing calculator to graph the function f of x, which I did, and I took 2 screenshots here for us to help us. And then describe where the function is increasing, decreasing, concave up, concave down, and find any maxima or minimum. So to start, I'm actually going to do the maximums and minimums. So there's no global maximum or minimum because they go on forever to infinity and negative infinity, but I found a maximum here at this point on my first picture. And the function on the calculator kind of gives us things in decimals and values that are close, but really it's at -1 here, and then this should be 7/6 for our maximum, but that's what we call a local maximum. And then our minimum here is going to be at 2, and then what is that, -10 thirds is what it looks like. And so there's my 2 points that are going to be helpful to us because we have a local max here and a local minimum here. And so let's go to increasing and decreasing now. So increasing is nice because the maximum kind of tells us where we stop increasing. So at first we're going in green here, I'm kind of drawing, and it hits this point where we are increasing in green here. So already I have this interval from negative infinity all the way to -1. And then next it starts to decrease that I'm going to use in red here all the way until I hit my minimum here. So I know that that's going from, so it's decreasing from -1 until +2. And then it looks like it's starting to increase again after our minimum from 2 until infinity. So increasing here is in green, decreasing here is in red. Because only one section of that graph is decreasing, the rest of it is increasing. And for concave up and concave down, I'm going to use a little bit of estimation here. So I'm going to use the second graph, and I see here that it stops, kind of has this inflection point here, what looks at about 1. So I'm kind of rounding here. It may not be exactly that, but in general, this first kind of curve here, it's all concave down until I hit 1. So I go from negative infinity until 1, it is concave down. And then after that, the point of inflection happens, and then I have it concave up from 1 until infinity. And so that kind of answers every question here. I have a maximum here, then a minimum. I have my intervals. There's 2 of them of increasing, my single interval of decreasing, my interval where it's concave up, and my interval where it's concave down.